Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. FANS Wethu TV, it's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. I'm joined by the best coach.
Still
I'm not the coach.
I still give credit to South African fans.
Why? Even midweek.
For midweek, 75,000 is beyond me. But let's get into the game still.
But can you coach?
Change of lineup from Mamelodi Sundowns.
Sure.
We see Basadin starting. And then one asks himself, okay, is it a matter of the left back position is an issue or what?
Yeah.
But then look at what happens. On the 4th minute, Basadin gets a yellow card.
Yes.
If I'm a Kaizer Chiefs coach, the left back is on a yellow card. What do? We keep going at him. Because it's the 4th minute.
Yes.
Anything can happen.
It's a mistake.
Yeah, but then from what I saw, Steve, I think Chiefs was a better team, according to me.
Yeah.
Chiefs was a better team. Chiefs looked like a team that needed goals more than Mamelodi Sundowns needed goals. You see?
Yes.
Mamelodi Sundowns, well, they've played with a 8-8 and then one CDM, where we saw Mukwena and Allende trying to stretch the field.
Sure.
But then I don't think it worked out very well. I don't know what's happening in this team, but there's no creativity in Mamelodi Sundowns team currently.
Flat.
Yeah, it's extremely flat, man. The moment you see your 2-8 going wide, then who's occupying the wingers? Is it your fullbacks? Because we saw both fullbacks moving up as well.
Yeah.
So I questioned that, and then I thought maybe it's a tactic to say Chiefs had a high press. Tried pressing Sundowns at a very high point.
Sure.
But then how did Sundowns get out there? I didn't see that.
Yeah, but
we can count the chances.
Yes.
Most chances were created by Kaizer Chiefs. But again, like I said, you see patterns in football. If you look at almost 90% of chances that were created by Chiefs were from Lilepo's side.
Sure.
So what does it say? Chiefs is trying to get goals where? From the right side.
Yeah.
It's just a matter of can teams pick that up.
Yes.
And then going on to Mamelodi Sundowns, it's disappointing to see such a display from defending champions. Why am I saying that? You are expecting Mamelodi Sundowns that will take the game to who? To Kaizer Chiefs. But they look like they sat back and waited for counter-attacks, which is a question for me. We saw Saleh trying here and there, but there's lack of creativity in the team. There's lack of creativity. There's really currently, I don't know whether the team is going through something or what, but for me, the team that deserves to win here is Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah. Not to drag it long, there's few men of the matches. Ox Mutetwa for me. Yeah. And the left back.
Sure.
Yeah. Paseke competing on a virus.
Yes.
I'll give it to them. I like I said, for me, Chiefs deserve to win.
Yeah.
It's just that it didn't work out. I don't know, still, is Cardoso running out of ideas? Or are teams getting better?
Yeah.
Because I think it's too early for me to say Cardoso is running out of ideas.
Yeah.
Maybe teams are becoming smarter for Mamelodi Sundowns, meaning he also needs to go back and redo his work. You get me? But let me keep it there, Steve. Like I said, there's couple of men of the matches, but I'll give it to computers.
I'm just a wife.
How many 1v1s battles did he lose? I don't remember any 1v1 battle losing. I don't remember. So I'll give it to him, and I think he has stamped his authority. Also, the captain, Quinika, pick up me out.
He's back.
He played well, Steve.
Yeah.
Chiefs looks solid at the back.
Yeah.
Let's not drag it, Steve, before people kill us.
Thank you, coach. Oh my God, coach. Destroy.